Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decorations. I hope you all like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When you post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration. You can see the wall, you can see blue color wall and all the floor, the mirror, and very beautiful decoration. This is also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the screen, TV screen. It is also very beautiful screen. You can see very good, also good design. And this one also you can see the bed, the lights and all, very beautiful decoration, very good decoration. The roof also, it's also you can see the modern decoration. The wall, you can see the screen, TV screen, you can see, and the lights and all. You can see the floor also very beautiful. This one also you can see the side lights and all. The roof you can see, and the floor also very beautiful decoration, the lights and all. And this one, the wall, the green color wall, the beautiful decoration, the painting and all, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the roof, the floor and all. The wall decoration also very beautiful decoration. You can see this also, you can see the wall, you can see the floor, you can see beautiful decoration, the wall and the floor. The bed also very beautiful design. And this one, the wall color is very beautiful, and the decoration is also very beautiful looking, very modern decoration. This also you can see the wall, the roof, the floor and all, the lights and all, the laptop and all, very beautiful decoration, very good also. This also you can see the wall, the roof, the lamp and all, the floor, the bed also silver color. It is looking very beautiful decoration. This is also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the lights and all, beautiful lights. The decoration is good. The modern room you can see, and this also the down you can take any color. It is very beautiful decoration. The bed in the blue color decor, blue color lights and all. The bed color very beautiful. And it's also the green color bed and on the floor also wooden theme floor, very beautiful decoration. You can see it's also the beautiful decoration like snow. You can see the decoration, the drawing and all, very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the blue color bed, the floor, wooden theme floor, very beautiful. The wall, the curtains and all, very beautiful decoration. This also you can see the floor, the wall, the tables and all. It is also very beautiful, good decoration. And this also the green color bed, the wall, the curtains. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment down, press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. In which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.